Airport coffee.
Get that guy right now.
Oh my god! Idiot, go away! Go away!
I'm killing you.
Help me, help me, help me, help me. Okay, no dummy, no dummy, no dummy, please no. No, 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 no. No dummy, please don't. I don't want a bot. If I die, it's the bot's fault, and I'm gonna have to respawn in more. That's even worse than respawning in airport, you know. We need to get to airport as quick as possible, or else we could die. Oh, dummy's behind me, dummy's behind me. Dummy is behind me, I hear his noise. We're good. I think he'd be moving. The cat is moving. The cat. Donk. Hello. Okay. I'm gonna see if scary still works. Scary work. Scary. No, scary doesn't work anymore unless cola works right now. Yeah, give me the cola, give me the coffee, give me the coffee, give me the coffee. Well, we got the coffee. I love coffee.